What's up guys, it's your boy, still needs an intro, and today we're going to be installing Taylor Shorty performance spark plug wires. Now before we get started, there will be a link below to these exact same spark plug wires, and if you use my affiliate link, you actually help support the channel. So, what are you waiting for? Another quick note, I love reading the manufacturer claims on some of these like performance parts. A lot of it is just an aesthetic thing. It gets rid of the rat's nest wiring that I'll show you here in a second. But this claims that on a 1991 Chevy Corvette that is optioned with the 407 small block, it gained 17 horsepower from spark plug wires. And I hate to break it to you, but it's not true. So now to get started, we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood and we'll take off the engine cover. Look at that thing. I love it. So this just comes off like that. Move her over. And here you can see what is called the rat's nest wiring harness. And that's because on these HEMIs, they have 2 spark plugs per cylinder. But in 2005, they had the actual spark plug wires rather than a harness that ran down and connected into it. Now this is actually going to be a super duper simple job. So what we're gonna do to get started is we're going to start with this spark plug wire that goes into the coil. So, and you wanna make sure you grab it by the boot and not the wire itself. After you get that open, just come through here, snake it through, come underneath this, go here, and you can see it goes down into this boot. So we'll go ahead and grab this one by the boot and pull that off, like that, and there. That is one long spark plug wire. Go here, open that up, you can see these beautiful things here. And then we will take this end that connects to the coil pack, put that on here, like so. And then we will pull this one down here. Now this, we're gonna face that up like so. And then we'll take this one here, push it down inside of the spark plug hole, like that. Make sure the boot goes in there square. And then you can actually listen for it to connect with the spark plug. Now we got that in there, and you can see the look that this is going for. So rather than having these wires that snake across this way, you just have one wire that goes here. I'll go ahead and do this side and show you what it looks like when we're done. Just look at that, man. That looks like an actual machine, and this looks like a mess. Why did they do this? Why didn't they just do this from the factory? Now we're gonna go ahead and finish up this side. Dang it. Oh boy, look at that. Significantly better. It actually looks like a race car now. Now, of course, before we end the video, we have to see how she runs. So, what's up guys, it's your boy. Forgot to film an outro until he's editing the video. Now again, there will be a link to the Taylor Shorty wires in the description. I used the wrong wires, so I will link the correct wires I used the ones that were too thin in this video. They're the like 8.2 millimeter. You need the 10 millimeter ones. So I will link those down below. Those will be the good ones. Now, if you found this video helpful, or at least entertaining, please be sure to drop a like and share it with your friends. If you'd consider subscribing, click over here. If you want to see what YouTube recommends you watch next, click over here. And as always, I look forward to seeing you guys next time.